مرحبا جواره سلاف هون بخير هاتن Kurdish lessons say you all welcome to Kurdish lessons. Today together we are going to read a piece of news with you. It's about population in the Kurdistan. So I hope after this video you both improve your Kurmanji skills and learn about Kurdistan region. If you are ready, let's go. Selam again. So here, as you see, it's our fourth video related to news. Here, I wrote the title of the news. لحريم كردستان چند کس دژین? How many people live in the Kurdistan region? Here we have the same sentence, but I want to show you some grammar. Okay? So don't forget to say le. To say in, you always need l. Okay? L. So if after l you are using a city or country's name, you need a at the end of these nouns. Okay? Le Kurdistane. Okay? It's oblique form. Le Britanniaye in Britain. Le Canadaye. Le Zahoye, Le Merdine. Okay, this is the first rule about le, important. And here we have the word harem. Harem. Harem is region. Region. So harem is region. Region. So you will say, if harem is the region, what is this at the end of harem? So since you are trying to say Kurdistan region, like the region of Kurdistan, you need izafe because you will link Kurdistan to the region. Always, when you link two nouns, you need izafe. So these are, it's our izafe. So don't forget, izafe feminine ending is a. Like you say Daya min, my mom Daya. So the a at the end of Daya, it's izafe. Or Khushka min, my sister Khushka. There is a at the end of Khush. Okay? Because these are feminine. Chant kes, how many people? Dejin. So you see, in English you put questions first. How are you? How many? What? Who? Etc. But in Kurmanji, questions are later. So always remember tu chawayi. How are you? Tu chawayi. Tu chawayi. Okay? Tu chawayi. And here again, we don't say chant kes لهرما Kurdistani dijin. It is not, people will understand you if you say chant kes tatatan dijin, but a native speaker always will say لحرم كردستان چند کس دژین. لحرم كردستان چند کس دژین. Okay? Second information about questions. And third thing I want to say you is the verb jin. Jin, which is to leave. Jin is to leave. So the present stem is ji. Ji. So if you want to say I leave, it will be as djim, to dji. So we write dji, but you hear to dji, to dji. And this is important, أو dji, not djiye. Keep in mind, not أو djiye. أو dji, he or she lives. هن أو djin. Okay, so that's why how many people live djin. لهرما كردستان چند کس دژین. Okay, so now let's read the news. حوله روداو وزیر پلاندانین یه کردستانه دارا رشید دیار کرکو لحرم کردستانه 6,307,668 کس دژین. Numbers are awful. 606. It's like a tongue twister. 606. Okay, so وزیر پلاندانینه. وزیر is the minister. وزیر پلاندانینه. Planning minister. یه حرم کردستان of the Kurdistan region. Dara Rashid, his name. Diyarbakir, declared, said. That لحرم کردستان in the Kurdistan region 6 million 307,000 3070 and 606 كس داشتین. Okay, 668 people live. Okay, so here wazir, learn the word wazir, it's minister, wazir, and پلاندانین is planning. Okay, planning. یه حرم کردستان دیارکر like declared, said لحرم کردستان 6 million و 307,668 کس داشتین. Okay, Dara Rashid, the second part. Dara Rashid. The conference روزنامه‌گری in the, how do you say, in the journalist, it's like journalism meeting, the conference for journalists, it's like press gathering. So Dara Rashid, the conference روزنامه‌گری آمار yani statistics. My handwriting is off. So, istatistiken serjmeriya harima Kurdistane ashkarekir. So, ashkarekirin, like to mention or to clarify. So, ashkarekir, Dara Rashid in the press conference, press gathering, that istatistiken serjmeriya population of Kurdistan region said ashkarekir. Okay, so Amar is a nice word to say statistic or statistic. Statistiken, Amaren, same thing. Okay, Harema Kurdistani ashkarekir. So now we will read some facts about this region, about Kurdistan. So Hejmara Meran, the number of men. Hejmara Meran 3 million و 2,506 کس. So here probably they were thinking about these S, but so we need A here. Okay, so the number of men is Hejmara Meran 3 million و 2,506 کس. Hejmara Jinan, the number of the women, Hejmara Jinan 3 million و 107,162 کسه. رژه میران لهرم کردستان جسدی 54. No, penji, I'm behnok, like the virgule in Turkish, in French. Chare. So reje is the rate. The rate of the men in Kurdistan region is 50.4%. Jisadi tatatan. It's how you say the percentage, okay? Jisadi penji, jisadi shest, jisadi hafte, jisadi penji, okay? Rejeya jnan, the rate of the women. Rejeya jnan لحرم کردستان جسدی 49 نقطه or بهنوک 6. Okay, 6 million و 307,668 کس لحرم کردستان region. Okay, we know this one. So in Kurdistan region 6 million 370,668 people live in Kurdistan region. It's always hard to tell the numbers in any language. So the next fact. جسدی 84 خلقه. So the 84% of people لباجاران in the cities و جسدي شازده خلكي لقندان دجين and the 16% of people live in the villages 2 مليون و 28 هزار خانيا كومي لكردستان هنا so لكردستان 2 مليون و 28 هزار خاني هنا so خانيا كومي like I think it's these flats like these buildings خانيا كومي not one floor but like many floor like building okay و تمام رجيا here رجيا کسین کو تمنه وان بسر 50 سالان رایه جسدی 4.4 so the rate of the people whose age are more than 65 is 4.4% okay کسی this is interesting کسی هری بتمن the oldest person in Kurdistan region is 126 سالیه is 126 years old wow مزنه he's old تمام so these are the facts about Kurdistan region but I will read one more time so listen to me هجمارا میران 3,200,056 کسه هجمارا جنان 3,107,162 کسه رژه میران لحرم کردستان جسدی 5.4 رژه جنان لحرم کردستان جسدی 49.6 6,307,668 کس لحرم کردستان دجی جسدی 84 خلکی لباجاران و جسدی 16 خلکی لگندان دجین اوکی 2,028,000 خانه کمی لکردستان هنه رژه کسین کو تمنه وان دسر above دسر 65 سالان رایه جسدی 4.4 کسی هری بتمن هرم کردستان 126 سالیه مزنه واو مزنه so let's have a look at the last page وزیر پلاندانینه یه هرم کردستانه اماجه بوی یکی کرکو آمارن سرجمهری هرم کردستانی ین لدروی اداره هرم کردستانی لسر هرم کردستانی نهاتنا هجمارتن okay so here the BG says the planning minister of Kurdistan region mentioned this thing statistics of population of Kurdistani regions which are outside of the ruling of Kurdistan region are didn't count it okay so these statistics didn't contain I cannot speak so these statistics don't contain the regions the Kurdish regions which are not controlled under the Kurdistan region okay so outside of the Kurdistan region there are some places so Kurdistan region is not ruling there so they didn't count this it's only the places that are under the control of Kurdistan region okay okay so Ligori Gotna Dara Rashid according to speech of Dara Rashid saying of Dara Rashid Navche is hard to translate. Navche is a small part of the city, like region maybe, okay, or oblast maybe. So Navcheya Sheikhan. So now there will be some proper names for the regions, okay. Sheikhan, Navcheya Sheikhan, Nahyaya Zalkaneya Sheikhane. So the region of Sheikhan, the Zalkan region in Shekhan. ناحیه فهیدی دوهوکه. So فهیدی oblast of Duhok. ناحیه دیبگه. The place, yeah. ناحیه is smaller than region, so I don't know how to say this thing in English. So ناحیه دیبگه. ملاقره و گوره ین مخموره. ناحیه کوکس و نوجول و گندن دوروبرا چمچاله لسر کرکوک نینو و دیاله وسلحتنن هاتن تومار کره. Okay, so it says there are some regions لدوهوكي لكركوكي لنينوى لديالي هاتن تومار كرن, so they were recorded. Okay, so these regions are also recorded. So it was an interesting piece of news to see about population. لكردستان خشك, لكردستان رنجين, لحريم كردستان, it's not the whole Kurdistan, just part of it. We are more than 6 million. So I hope you enjoyed the video. In the upcoming videos with more vocabulary, news, and more videos, I am planning to meet you. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. And if you want to support me, you can check my profile on YouTube. There will be a Patreon link, so you can buy me a coffee there.